Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we created customer, order, and order line objects for our Classic Guitars application. We will continue our training by creating a payment object, adding a Google search to catalog records, and adding fields to customer and order objects. Let's begin by creating a new payment object. In the sidebar, click the New Menu link, select the A New Object with Tab option, and then click Create. In the singular name field, type Payment, and click in the field below to accept the default values for plural name, record name, and integration name. Enter a brief description for the tab, such as payment information. Scroll down, and in the optional object properties, select the following options: flagging, view tracking, and reports enabled. Select do you want to create a new tab for this object now, and click Save. In the New Tab page, confirm that you have the following information. Click Save, and let's return to our Classic Guitars application. Okay, now we will add a Google product search facility to the catalog object. On the Catalog Items tab, click the drop-down menu and select Object Definition. In the menu bar, select Fields, click the New Field button, find the field type Advanced Radio buttons, and select the Integration Link option. Then click Next. In the Field Properties section, enter Google Search as the field label, scroll to the Template Helper section, and ensure that the left drop-down has Catalog Item selected. On the right drop-down, select Catalog Item Text. Notice that the text box now has a string. Copy and paste this into the link URL text area. Edit the string in the text area so that it appears as shown. In the Integration Name section, accept the default value. Make note of this field value as it is used in templates and formulas. Enter the following information in the Field Help section and click the Save button. In Add to Pages and Views, select All Catalog Items. Now click Save. Let's click the Return to Classic Guitars link. In the Catalog Items view, you can see there is an additional column and each record has a Google search link. Okay, let's test this by clicking the link next to one of the records. A new browser tab opens with the name of the item. Now we will add fields for discount to the customer object. On the Customer tab, click the drop-down menu and select Object Definition. In the menu bar, select Fields, then click the New Field button. Select the field type as %, and click Next. And type Maximum Discount as the field label. Type Max Disc in the view header. Now set decimal places to 1 with a default value of 0, minimum value of 0, and a maximum value of 100. And click Save. In Add to Pages and Views, select All Customers. OK, now click Save. Let's click the Return to Classic Guitars link. Next, we will add various fields to the order object, beginning with the order number. Click the Order tab, select the drop-down menu, and choose Object Definition. In the menu bar, select Fields, then click the New Field button. Select the field type as Auto Number, and click Next. And type Order Number as the field label. In View Header, type Order and the hash symbol. Type the following display format make the starting number 1, and in the advanced field properties, ensure that always require a value in this field in order to save a record, do not allow duplicate values in this field, and allow filtering by this field in list views are selected. Then click Save. In Add to Pages and Views, select All Orders and then click Save and New. OK, now we will add a discount field. On the Field Type Radio button, select % and click Next. Add type discount in the field label. In the View Header field, type Disc % and set decimal places to 1, with a default value of 0, a minimum value of 0, and a maximum value of 50. Accept the defaults for the rest and click Save. In Add to Pages and Views, select All Orders and then click Save and New. Next, we will add a currency field. Choose Field Type as Currency and click Next. Type Order Total as the field label and View Header as Total. Set the default value to 0 and minimum value to 0. Accept the defaults for the rest and click Save. And in Add to Pages and Views, select All Orders, then click Save and New. Let's add a date field. Set the field type as Date and then click Next. Type Invoice Due Date in the field label. In View Header, type Due Date. And in the Advanced Field Properties, select Always require a value in this field in order to save a record. Then click Save. And in Add to Pages and Views, select All Orders, then click Save and New. Finally, let's add a Send Invoice Now checkbox. Set the field type as Checkbox, click Next, and type Send Invoice Now in the field label. Now click Save. And in Add to Pages and Views, select All Orders and click Save. And that's it for this video. We can see the payment object and the new fields we have added into our application. In the next video, we will update the record name template of the order and order line objects and add fields to the order line object. Thanks for watching.